Video 2. Installing the solar panel. Welcome! Let's install the solar panel. This video will help you to answer a very important question. Where is the best place to install the solar panel to get the most electricity? You will also learn how to install the solar panel correctly, and you will learn about general safety rules when using tools and working on rooftops. For more information, you can refer to the Installing the Solar Panel section in the installation guide. The solar panel must be installed on the roof where it will collect the most sunlight and therefore the most electricity. But safety comes first. Always be careful when installing the solar panel. Before going on the roof, make sure the roof is safe. Look. Identify any potential dangers. This includes power lines, skylights, wasps, and bats. Make sure the roof is strong enough to support the solar panel and isn't dangerous to work on. For example, if it is too steep or very weak. If it is not safe to install on the roof, build a fixed structure on the ground where the solar panel can be installed permanently if it is safe from theft, or can be taken in and out every morning and evening. Plan. Work safely. Make a plan with your team on how to work safely and communicate with each other. Be aware. Do not touch electricity lines with your body or ladder. Do not walk near or over skylights. Avoid wasp nests. Avoid attics with bats or rodents. Ladder safety. You also need to be aware when using the ladder. Make sure it is stable and at the correct angle. Stand at the base of the ladder and hold your arms out straight. Your fingertips should be able to touch the ladder step in front of you without moving. While someone holds the ladder, climb with your eyes facing the ladder. And remember, only one person at a time. At the top, get off slowly and carefully to one side. Don't climb over the top of the ladder. Choose carefully where you will step on the roof. Look for a line of nails. The nails mean that there is a beam or rafter under the iron sheet. This is the safest part of the roof to walk on. Before going on the roof, select all the parts and tools you will need and keep them in a bag so as to avoid going up and down the ladder. When you open the solar suitcase, you will find a bag with most of the materials you will need for installing the solar panel and the solar suitcase. The remaining tools you will find in the large tool bag. Parts and tools required from the solar suitcase. Homerun cable, L-fit brackets, cable guard, long roof screws, number 8 self-tapping screws, nuts and bolts, silicone, marker, electrical tape, zip ties, nut drivers, 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch, drill bits, 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch. From the large tool bag, cordless drill driver, inclinometer, wire stripper, safety glasses, step drill bit, slip joint plier, hammer, wrench. We are almost ready to start the installation, but first we must decide where to place the solar panel. Sunshine and shadows. We want to make sure that the solar panel receives the most sunlight all day and doesn't have any shadows on the solar panel. Ask a local person where the sun rises and sets and imagine how the sun will shine on the roof during the entire day. To understand where there might be a shadow, look around for obstacles, such as trees, poles, or buildings. Do the obstacles create a shadow on the solar panel? There should be no shadows on the solar panel between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Even a small shadow on the panel can remove 50% of collected power, so be careful. No shadows. Attach securely. The solar panel must be attached to the wood frame of the roof. Attach the L-fit to the top and bottom of the solar panel or the sides of the solar panel. You may need to shift the panel higher or lower on the roof depending on where the beam is located. On rare occasions, if you can't reach both beams, you can secure the L-feet to the middle of the panel over one beam. Use one L-foot on each of the empty sides to keep the panel from shifting. Protect from damage. Tilt the panel 10 to 15 degrees to allow rainwater to flow off the panel using the inclinometer, and orient the black junction box at the top to keep out water. All roof insertions must be done at the top of the corrugated ridge. Don't bend the ridge, and don't drill into the valley of the corrugation or water can leak into the building. The solar panel should not be stressed, warped, or twisted when mounted to the roof. Before starting the panel installation, you should first know how the Homerun cable will enter the building. There are 4 options: under the ridge vent, through the roof, through the eave, over the edge of the roof. Each health facility is different, so it's up to you to decide which option makes the most sense. If you go through the ceiling, make sure to seal the hole where the cable enters the room. This will help protect the cable from rats. If needed, you can remove and reassemble the Homerun cable connector to make it easier to run through the roof and walls. Watch video 8 for more information. Find out how to use the drill in video 7. We are now ready to start the solar panel installation. Step 1. Take the solar panel, installation hardware, and tools up on the roof. Walk where you see the rows of nails. Place the panel on the roof where it will be attached. Step 2. Mark on the solar panel where you will attach the L-feet. The 4 holes should all be the same distance from the edge of the panel. Put on your safety glasses. Step 3. Using speed 2 and the 1/4-inch bit, drill 4 holes in the frame of the solar panel. Protect the back of the panel with a bracket while drilling. Position yourself securely on the roof when drilling into the panel. Position the drill straight up and down. Take a deep breath and drill all the way through the panel frame. If the roof is too steep or you do not feel comfortable working on the roof, drill into the panel when you are on the ground. Step 4. Attach all 4 brackets to the solar panel using 1/4-inch bolts and locking nuts. Tighten with wrenches. Step 5. Connect the Homerun cable to the solar panel. Listen for a click. Use zip ties. Fasten the connectors and Homerun cable to the inside of the frame in 2 locations. This is called stress relief and will prevent pull on the delicate parts of the panel. Find more information on stress relief in video 6. Step 6. Mark on the roof. Drill 4 holes using drill speed 1. Use the long roof screws with rubber washer to mount the L-feet to the roof and drill the screws halfway down. Step 7. Use silicone to seal the area below the L-feet. Step 8. Drill the screws down so that the solar panel is firmly attached to the roof, but not so tight that it flattens the metal corrugations on the roof. Step 9. Use silicone to seal the area on top of the L-feet. Step 10. Secure the Homerun cable to one of the L-feet and to the roof about every meter. This will protect the cable and prevent it from moving. Use silicone to seal all holes. Step 11. Attach the cable guard where the Homerun cable touches any sharp edge. Secure the cable guard with zip ties and silicone. Water causes corrosion and is bad for electrical connections. It can travel all the way down the Homerun cable into the solar suitcase. Therefore, before the Homerun cable enters the building, make a drip loop. By making a loop in the Homerun cable and securing it to the outside of the building with a zip tie. This will allow water on the cable to drip off before entering the building. Step 12. Now that you have finished the installation, complete the solar panel installation checklist found in the installation guide. In this video, you learned how to find the best location with the most sun for installing the solar panel, safety information about ladders and walking on rooftops, how to attach the solar panel to the roof, and how to protect the Homerun cable. Thank you for watching.